All right, so um, this event is brought to you by Bincom Dev Center, and Bincom Dev Center is a multi-location technology talent development and solutions platform. We have our aim is building tech talent, enhancing tech talent, and also building startups. We have our locations virtually near you. We have our location in Lagos State, Oyo State, Kano State, Kaduna State, etc. And we still have plans to expand to as many locations as possible. For our services, under Building Tech Talent, we have Bincom Academy, Tech Apprenticeship, Tech Internship, Global Tech Program. We also have for enhancing tech talent, we have Bincom Tech Network, including community events and projects. One of it is what you're attending today, which is the front end meetup. We also have a light space, we have our Emigrate Tech Visa, we have our Bincom mentoring platform, we have our Bincom Tech career coaching, and for startups, we have our Labs by Bincom. So Bincom Academy basically utilizes Montessori approach in training participants in basic skill that is needed for the modern technology ecosystem. Our internship is designed to enable you gain mastery and expertise over a period of time for your tech skill. We also have our apprenticeship, tech apprenticeship, which is more of an industrial attachment for you to get hands-on training. Income Tech Network, including community events and projects, is aimed at giving back to the community. So we talk about tech trends, we talk about trending topic that would help build you as in the different skill you find yourself. We have a light space. We have workspaces that are intended to encourage collaboration and drive innovation. Our spaces can be held for seminars, conferences, get together. We also have our global tech program. It's focused on three key pillars: learn skill, gain experience, gain exposure. So if you're interested in any of these services, please do well to look at the links that will be dropping in the chat. Then we also have our tech visa, emigrate tech visa, helps you become globally attractive, build a tech profile, build a tech enabled business. It is also your pathway to relocation and settlement in different countries, as you can see on my screen. And then we also have a mentoring platform. If you're a mentor and you want to add value to people by mentoring them, this mentoring platform is for you. If you're a mentee and you feel you need a mentor to help groom you into that peak of it, you can use our platform. And then we have our Labs by Bincom. If you have an idea, you want to build it or you want to turn it into a startup, our 3 month pre-incubator program is the best place for you. So we bring participants together to build a digital technology product which will be used by real life users. We have different cohorts. So if you're interested, please watch out for the links in the chat. And then we also have our tech career coaching. If you're already grounded on your skill and you want to learn your next role faster, you want to learn a new role, the tech career coaching offers a combination of coaching and relevance on the job experience, career referencing, introduction to tech recruiters, hand holding through applications, interview process, and more. So please do well to watch for the links in the chat. Once again, you're all welcome to Bincom Front End Meetup. With us, we have amazing speakers, and I hope that you can note as many questions as possible to ask the speakers as they share insights in the topic. So I'll hand over this session to Sola.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. Um, I'm ultimately just Oladipo, and I'm the host for the day. This community event was organized by the front-end developers of Bincom, and the topic for today is the future of front-end development. Okay. I'll be introducing our first speaker for the day, an internal speaker from the mobile application development team, Oluwatoyi Abedide. He has the knowledge of full stack development in Next.js. So, Shay, sorry, please.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
I can hear you. You can go ahead.
Okay, I just want to share my screen.
Okay, then.
Just, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oluwaseyi Abejide. So I'll be talking about the future of front-end development. You know, we've been, when we talk about front-end development, all what comes to mind is JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And some people even go further to, mention React. And that makes, everyone a front-end developer. But in 2024 and years to come, there are more to this because front-end developer, is now like it's not like a thin gap between a front-end developer and a back-end developer. So there are some skills we need to know to understand. Skills like container, Dockers, skills like CMS, skills like pipelines, APIs, integration, and co. So I want to talk about few of those skills so that at least as a front-end developer, we should have idea or basic knowledge of those skills to help our front-end career. And it can also help us with, to communicate properly with our back-end developers, with our UI, UX designers, our project management, and so on. And also with our DevOps. So I will be talking on this content management system, basic database knowledge. I will be talking about artificial intelligence, ChatGPT and Gemini, and also Next.js. Please, can anyone hear me?
Yeah, we're hearing you.
Thank you very much. So I will first talk about content management system. As a front-end developers, most of our backend we get from most of our APIs we get from the backend. So this is where content management comes in, because you actually don't really need a backend developer to work with content management system, because content management is like you having your own backend, having full custody of your own backend. Okay, just take for instance, you're trying to build an app, for a client or for maybe your company like that, and maybe this a CEO of the company want to have full access to the backend. Like you don't need to talk to the backend guys or something. The man just needs to like upload from his own system, those kind of stuff. So with content management system, you can create, a schema at the backend whereby you can post from it,